and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday. Oh, really? It's not a day off for me, but that's okay. I love what I do. Last night, I prepared Nigerian chicken stew using one of my new spice blends, suya, or also known as yaji. I didn't exactly follow the instructions. I basically turned it into not a stir fry, but it's not a stew either. This is an excellent meal. The spice blend that's in this, it's perfect. This is a must try. You can get the spice blend through Casual Chef. Just go to the website. But this is really good. I enjoyed this very, very much. Tonight, I call this the fastest meal in the West. My chili mac. When you see the ingredients, you'll understand. I mean, there's that much prep. Scads. I wouldn't even call it prep. So let's get to it. Champion is out. I always do my chili mac in a wok. Ground turkey. You can use ground beef. You can use ground pork. But I always try to use ground turkey. A little thingy of pico de gallo. Some minced garlic. My taco seasoning blend, and a prepared or pre-made container of mac and cheese. This is it. It's some salt and pepper. That's it. It's that fast. Less than 15 minutes. Prep time, like I said, it's seconds for prep. I can get this done in less than 15 minutes. Yes, I've timed myself. All right, big sale, 20% off all the Casual Chef Urban Spice Blends. There are, I believe, around 29 to choose from. On the website, I have worked very, very hard on this. It's broken up, first the top 10, and that's not my top 10, that's the top 10 in the United States that folks buy in regular grocery stores. So there's the top 10, and then there's the entire collection, the 29-ish, that's broken down by major urban spice regions of the world. So, yeah. Just have fun. What are you cooking tonight? I got my recipes picked out for Veggie Week. It's going to be a fun week. A lot of pasta, a lot of rice, a lot of ginger. There's ginger in 6 out of 7 of the recipes. Yeah. Okay. So on this Saturday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.